Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm looking at the new Intel i7 12th gen, and this is an MSI motherboard I'm looking at right now. This has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and everything. Now, it has your, like I said, DDR5 RAM in it. You got your PCI for your card. Where's the and the two, here it is, in your M.2 hookups, N.2 right there and right there. And I don't think this is gonna be RGB like this one. See, cause this is the Z4, my Z490, right? So, yeah. So we're looking at this board for the Intel 1210. So let's go. Let's say, wait a minute, I did pre-order already. So let's get out of this. Okay, this is the Intel. Look at that, 1210. And look at the price, for something. Okay, let me see. Now, hold on, I want y'all to look at this because I gotta look at something. Okay, now, this is what I would be paying for these two. That's your price. The chip is Intel i7 12700, see, 12 late. Look at that. And then your motherboard is, and it is $249. That's not bad. $449. I wonder if this gonna be a cheaper price somewhere. Because when I bought my i7 10th gen, I bought it for $387 before it even hit the market. So, but this is Newegg. Price is at $776. Here's my taxes and stuff. And taxes, because I'm in California and stuff like that. Now, the DDR5, they're sold out, and the cheapest I saw was $279 to pull that off. $279. So if you put $279 on this stuff, everybody do that for me, because like I said, they're out of stock. $279. So then you putting that on top of this, I think it would be close to $900 to $1,000. I would be paying once you put the DDR on it, DDR5 on it. So here's the thing though. I would have to strip out this motherboard. This is the Z490, and put in the Z690. I'll still have everything, but the things that won't work will be just the DDR4. This DDR4, I'll be stuck with it. I got the M.2s in here. So M.2 2 terabyte one is in here. So what I would do is strip everything out, the motherboard, and everything, the CPU and everything out. Everything else will still be in here. The power, the lights and everything will stay in here. But then you'll be putting in the Z90 in here. This is an ATX, case. It's a Thermaltake RGB. People see my video. So that's what I would do. I would just take this whole motherboard out. Hope this would fit on the Z690. This cooler, because if it don't, I'll be buying a new cooler and stuff. But it would be more cheaper because I don't have to buy a whole new case. I wouldn't have to buy a whole new case because it's a, let's see, what's the motherboard? It's an ATX, so it would fit in this case. Like I said, all I have to do is just swipe out all this, unplug this, unplug, and then put it in there, put the chip, put that, hoping that this cooler will fit it, because if the cooler don't fit it, that's what I will be buying, is a whole new cooler. Then we got to get the the DDR5, and get that in. The DDR in. And like I said, I don't think I'm going to get M.2 PCI 5 or the 4.0. I'm not going to get another hard drive. I'll just take the M.2 out of this one and just put it into the Z690. So that's all. If you have a computer already, all you have to do is just strip out all your components, strip out your motherboard, put the Z690 in, and use Intel i7, i9, or i5, and put it in there on your new motherboard into your ATX case of thermal. This is, well, like I said, this is a Thermaltake level 20 RGB, you know, and stuff. And then use your because this is a 850 power supply, and the RGB lights are just RGB lights. This is my, well, you see what this is. This is my GeForce 2060 graphics card. I came close now to buying a 360. I mean, yeah, a 360, 3060. But it was a single fan, and Best Buy had it right there in the store for $619, but I didn't get it. So, yeah, that's what it would be. If you was gonna buy the new stuff, you're just really stripping out your board, put it in your case that you like, or maybe you just might buy a new case, and you know, so that's it.